My name is Joshua Snow. I live in Moab and teach photography full-time. In 2016, I was just kind of getting into night photography, and in upstate New York, it's really not that dark. I had to travel quite a ways to get anywhere even remotely dark, and being out here was kind of transcendent. There are so many places in Moab that are unexplored and untapped. I like to find places that I can enjoy, and I find that it really helps me kind of really think outside the box. I can really find places that aren't photographed and really put my own spin on what Moab is to people. It definitely pushes me to explore. It pushes me to seek out new things in places that aren't photographed. I think my goal has always been to inspire people to do something, anything that's outside of their comfort zone. Ever since I quit my day job, I've been able to travel quite a bit to teach photography. A lot of those places mean that I don't have the luxury of staying connected and being able to keep consistent content up on my social media, which is a big part of marketing for my business. With the help of weBoost, I'm able to have cell service in places that I normally wouldn't, and it allows me to kind of work off-grid where I normally wouldn't be able to get any work done. Moving from upstate New York and the Northeast in general, the landscape out here is just so wild. I had never seen a desert before, I had never seen mountains before. So to be able to come out here and see cactus and just wide open spaces and big giant mesas and structures, it was just mind-blowing. I always suggest that when people make a trip here that they give themselves 4, 5, 6, 7 days to really be able to soak it all in, because a couple days is just enough to make you want to come back. Moab definitely has something for everyone, so if you're passing through Utah, it's definitely worth making a stop in Moab.